just want to know how my daughter's doing. We're mucking about playing in the kitchen, and for some reason this has gone really weird. I mean, we're mucking about. I can't believe this. I don't know what it is. It's just pointless. What? Please, someone tell me. What's going on?
At the minute, mate, we've got no new
What's
information.
going on with Gran Canaria in 6 weeks? Where I don't believe this happening. We're cooking tea. There's nothing about in the kitchen. I don't understand how this is happening.
A dad who claimed that he was play fighting with his 14-year-old daughter when he stabbed her to death has been found guilty of murder. Scarlett Vickers suffered catastrophic blood loss after the blade was plunged 11 centimetres into her chest, piercing her heart. Her dad, 50-year-old Simon Vickers, has been found guilty of murdering his teen daughter at their home in Darlington in Durham on the 5th of July last year. He claimed he and Scarlett were just messing about when he accidentally threw the blade at her. However, Teesside Crown Court heard the 11-centimetre wound was too deep to have been a mistake. The heartless dad also attempted to claim that he was the victim after his daughter died in a pool of blood on the kitchen floor. Vickers claimed the play fight started when he and Scarlett began throwing grapes at each other while mum, Sarah Hall, made dinner. He said that he went to try and get her, but his daughter tried to push him away, so he grabbed the tongs and chucked them. He said her lips were going bluer and she wasn't listening when I shouted at her. He told paramedics at the scene that he picked up a knife and that it supposedly just went in after Scarlett lunged towards him, but later denied this. The dad added, "There is no way in the world I would stab my child. I threw those tongs at her. I want to die myself, my only child. I don't know what to say. I can't even cry. I don't even know what's wrong." The court heard the dad gave 3 different accounts, at least, before his formal police interview of what happened. Prosecutor Mark McCone KC said Vickers must have stabbed his daughter deliberately with a knife. He told jurors Scarlett's injuries could not have been caused by throwing the knife, or indeed by throwing anything else. During her evidence, Scarlett's mum said she believed it was an accident and her partner of 27 years would never harm their daughter. Vickers, who denied murder, has been remanded into custody to be sentenced at a later date.
Scarlett Vickers would have celebrated her 16th birthday this year. She had a whole life ahead of her. Yet it was cruelly cut short by her own father, a man who was meant to protect her. We may never know why or what caused Simon Vickers to do what he did that night. And sadly, today's verdict will not bring Scarlett back, but he will now face the consequences of his actions. I would like to thank my investigation team for their tireless efforts in getting justice for Scarlett, and the community for their cooperation and understanding while we carried out our inquiries. Our thoughts remain with those who cared about Scarlett. Thank you.